All right, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Judge Michael Davis. You're all here because you've been arrested, and under the laws of the state of Florida, you have the right to see a neutral judge within 24 hours of that arrest. I'm that judge. You have the right to remain silent. Don't talk about the facts of your case today. You also have the right to counsel. Public Defender's Office is here, and they're here for your benefit. You also have the right to hire a private attorney. I suggest you utilize that. All right, we're going to get started with Luis Becerra, please. All right, Mr. Becerra, good afternoon, sir. You've been charged with a domestic violence battery. I'm going to find the probable cause for that offense.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, sir. Kiefer, can I hear a little about his priors,
I
please?
see a DUI in 2004, Your Honor.
That's it? Any contact with the victim? No contact, Your Honor. Mr. Barbaric?
Judge, I can tell the court that he's lived here for 13 years. He is married. He has children that actually live in Daytona. He has no money in the bank at this point. He does work as a real estate agent, and we would be asking the court to set a bond that's reasonable. Again, he has very limited funds, if any at all.
All right. You live with the victim in this case, sir?
Yes.
You have someplace else to go, separate and apart from where she lives?
Yes.
Where are you going to stay?
Well, we have a property on 606 North 28th Avenue in Hollywood. 33020. Same zip code.
And that's separate and apart from where she lives?
Yes, separate, totally separate. Yeah.
So you own two properties?
Yes.
Interesting.
Yes. Yes, we have a mortgage on one, and the other one is paid in full. But right now, I have COPD, and I've been very sick, and basically, I'm not working right now as I should because of my illness. I'm going to see a lung specialist on the 28th of this month, and to see if they can give me some better medicine.
All right, $1,000 bond, but if he gets verified, he can be on pretrial, so that's pending verification. Sir, there's going to be a no contact order in this case. You're not going to go within 500 feet of the young lady. You're not going to call, you're not going to write, you're not going to text, email, find her on social media. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Gentlemen, you attorneys?
You go right over there. Can you explain that to him?
Oh, you're not, oh, sir, okay, welcome. Thanks for coming. Thank you. All right. How we doing, Carl? Thanks so much. Amin?
No. Are you going to hire your own, or do you want to hire?
Abdullah Zadeh. Mr. Officer, you're going to have to help me here.
Judge, can we reconverse? He's on his way down. We're just waiting for him to get here.
All right, very good. Yeah, Kiefer, you'll help me with the last name later?
Yeah.
All right. Mr. Benjamin, you ready for me, sir? You want me to call up Mr. Frank?
If you can, Judge.
I'm ready when you are. If you need a few minutes, it's okay with me. All right.
Is he up there? Paul? Frank?
Frank, all right. Good afternoon.
Frank?
No, that's not Paul Frank, that's the...
Main jail.
Oh, all right. You know what? We're going to pass him for a minute. Can I have Paul Frank come on up? We're going to pass
He's
him
main jail.
sir, okay?
Oh, that's him, sorry.
Yeah, I think I thought that was
say,
Paul
wow,
Frank.
there's
Yeah,
someone
yeah,
just working
okay.
there.
All right, good afternoon, sir. I'm Judge Davis.
No.
Your attorney is here also, Mr. Benjamin. If you just put your appearance on.
Jamie Benjamin on behalf of Mr. Frank at this point, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Benjamin. Sir, you've been charged with living off the earnings of prostitution. Mr. Benjamin, do you have anything else of probable cause?
Judge, I didn't get a chance to see the probable cause affidavit, but if I could just take a quick look.
Does she live in it too?
Yes.
Just pick up. The other house, are you renting it out to somebody?
No.
Okay, how much is the house that you live in? How much is the other house?
Second page confession.
Those that habitually dress down hard.
Prostitutes give them Pretty woman. Pretty woman.
Oh.
Pretty woman.
Anybody, any money, credit cards, hospital
Let's
bills?
see what they look like.
Put everything together, you're in debt for one.
With the mortgage?
Mr. Benjamin, any arguments for probable cause?
Yes, Judge, there is absolutely nothing in there that would indicate any knowledge on the part of Mr. Frank that he was doing anything other than providing a service of driving somebody for a licensed business that was an escort business to a location. Any illegal activity that may have occurred here was alleged to have taken place by the person he drove to the location, who went inside without him knowing anything about what happened inside. Escort services are absolutely legitimate businesses unless somebody who's an independent contractor or somebody working for that particular business commits a crime and the driver knows about it. So whether or not he received a nickel for driving somebody to a location, if he didn't have a radio to be able to overhear some type of illegal contract that occurred inside or participating in illegal conduct, which I don't think there's any chance in the imagination that anybody would pay this gentleman for sex, but of course that's another issue altogether. There is nothing in the probable cause affidavit that would rise to the level of aiding and abetting prostitution, much less the felony of living off the earnings of a prostitute. He has no criminal, that's as to the probable cause.
It's a good argument. Your attorney's making a very good legal argument on your behalf. And I might have asked the state to perfect this. However, the gentleman did make a statement. I won't read it on the record. I don't think there's any reason, but he did make a statement where he states that he is aware he's being paid from the proceeds of prostitution. So I'm going to find probable cause.
And Judge, I don't want to go further into it at this time with the limited amount of information we have. But he's 72 years old. He's never been arrested for anything. He's a local here in the community. His family ties are such that his son is a practicing chiropractor in the community, and he has no criminal record. I'd ask Your Honor to set a minimal bond on this case.
Is that correct? Is he a criminal record?
High blood pressure.
Here's what I'm going to do.
I know it's one of the, I know so.
I'm not sure. I think he lives, he's married. I know his son contacted
Avonshore.
him.
Say that again?
Who do you live with, sir?
I live in Avonshore.
Who do you live with? Do you live by yourself?
My wife.
You live with your wife?
My wife for 44 years.
Good. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to release you under recognizance on this charge, sir. You're ordered not to have any contact with anyone from Pretty Woman Escorts. Do you understand?
Yes.
You can't have any contact with anyone who works for that escort agency, and you certainly cannot work for them, okay?
Yes.
All right. Good luck to you. Listen to everything Mr. Benjamin has to say.
Thanks, Judge. Appreciate it.
Take care. Nice to see you. It's a good weekend.
Have a good day.
You got it. All right, Mr. Roden, are you ready for me? You need a couple of minutes.
Okay, what do we do? What? What do I do?
Yes, I saw that.
First my call is Mr. McKenzie, last name is McKenzie. So page, I believe it's 5-3.
Oh, that's yours? I thought that was Mr. Shade. Okay, good.
It's showing Fort Lauderdale as the arresting agency, and that's
No, I think it was a little confusing because it's Broward Sheriff's Office. I wasn't sure. All right. Can I have Mr. McKenzie come up, or Mr. or Miss? Marley McKenzie.
Female.
Female. All right, can I have Miss McKenzie come on up?
Main Joe.
All right, good afternoon, Miss McKenzie. I'm Judge Davis.
Good afternoon.
You're being held on 2 misdemeanor warrants. They're municipal ordinances. One is possession of a controlled substance. The other is possession of a prescription drug without a prescription. I'm going to appoint an attorney to represent you on these matters. His name is J.R. McLawrence. This is his associate, George Odom. Let me ask the state if you could look into her criminal history for me. 727-654. Yes. Oh, all right. Well, your bond has been posted, so you're going to be released now, and you can resolve this another day. Good luck to you.
we just sent her a plea of not guilty.
Thank you, Judge.
Very good. Take care of yourself. Rocky Carter, is that yours?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Can I have Rocky Carter come on up? I think I have one more for you, too, on the second look.
Oh.
All right, good afternoon, Mr. Carter. You're being held on 2 misdemeanor municipal ordinance warrants. One is possession of a controlled substance, And the second charge is, looks like possession of paraphernalia. Yeah. This is coming out of the city of Fort Lauderdale. I'm going to appoint an attorney to represent you named J.R. McLawrence. This is his associate, George Cotto. State same question about his criminals, 260-777.
I don't know if I'm legal to say something to the judge.
2015.
Don't talk about the facts of the case. Your attorney is the guy, if you look on the bottom right-hand screen, the guy that just walked out. Come back here in a second. Square to tan suit, that's the attorney, right there.
I need to talk with
No
you.
problem. Take your time.
Just let the judge know that you'd like to talk to
You know
him.
what, George? There's another one also from the morning that
Okay.
we rolled over. Jared knew about it.
What if
I don't
schedule my court date?
It'll be
I don't know if you can see
told
that,
Jared
but
what
the
we're
bell's
doing.
gonna
It's gonna
start
be a plea. It's
that I reschedule a court date.
what year?
From last month, Your Honor.
Oh, last month.
Drug paraphernalia, yes.
All right.
Judge, what I will ask you this
Your
time,
Honor,
I know I
excuse
heard, hold on, Mr. Carter. I heard Mr. Carter wants to speak with me or Mr. McLawrence.
Oh, okay.
Um,
I'll release him as recognizance today.
and I ain't never plead not guilty.
All right, but here's what we got to do, sir. These are two.
Judge,
Yeah.
if I may just quickly, I told him that I explained that that's his attorney in the courtroom. What he wanted to tell the court, I believe, is that he had rescheduled a court date. There shouldn't be capiases out. He had gone to the clerk's office and rescheduled.
Okay.
So I don't know if the clerk can check. That's what he wanted to let the court know.
All right. Well, here's the thing. I'm gonna release you on your recognizance today. You've got to come back to court and answer for these charges. If you don't, they're gonna enter another capias for you. Okay? So I'll take you at your word today that you tried to reschedule the court date. But this is the last chance. This is your last shot. All right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Take care.
Thank
Take
you,
care of yourself.
And I imagine the case has already been served since he's in
Yeah.
custody. I just, for the record, asked for the
All right, Frank Rico, come on back up, Frank. How you doing, buddy?
Doing all right, Your Honor.
All right, I spoke to Mr. McLawrence about this case. You were already appointed on this one. This is not a second look, actually. We had two cases today. We took care of one for him this morning, and we pulled up this one this afternoon because the capias was about to be issued on it, and I figured better to just deal with it today.
Okay.
We're going to give Mr. Rico a shot because he's going to go work for the car wash, and I like you, Mr. Rico, and I want to see you succeed. We're going to do the same again. Go ahead and raise your right hand for me. You're already appointed on this one, George. I appointed you guys this morning. Swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, put your hand down and tell me your full name.
Frank Leonardo Greco.
All right, Mr. Greco, you've been charged with solicitation, panhandling. How do you plead to that offense?
I plead no contest.
All right, you understand by pleading no contest, you're giving up your right to have a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Frank, are you under the influence of any alcohol or drugs today?
I'm not.
All right, my
Nothing.
friend, I'm going to find your plea to be knowing, intelligent, and voluntary like we talked about this morning. I'm going to withhold adjudication. I'll waive the court costs again for you because you got that new job. And I'm not going to see you again in the uniform, right? Like I said, if you want to come...
Let's plead in the name. Let's
If you want
plead.
to come, if you want to come visit me, you can come visit me anytime. You don't have to do it in the uniform, okay?
I can tell you this. I'm gonna work my butt off at that car wash, man.
All right, I believe in you, Frank. Good luck, my friend. Take care of
All
yourself.
right, thank you.
All
Thank
right.
you, Judge.
We got
Judge,
one
the
charge.
gentleman on page 2, the gentleman on page 2 I'm in is here.
All right, we just have one more municipal ordinance. One more municipal
Oh, sure, no
ordinance.
problem. I didn't realize.
Ferdinand Velez.
Is that one on there?
You want to be next?
Conti, you're right.
Second look.
Yes. You want to be next? Say that.
All right, looks like he's in an open container. I don't know how long he's been in, but I think it's probably longer than that. Ferdinand Velez. Anybody know how long he's been in?
I was gonna say.
Oh, I see.
But at least
Okay.
this won't be holding him up.
Yeah, this won't hold him up. All right, we'll resolve for you today. I'm going to take an adjudication on it, though.
What's the charge again? I'm sorry.
Open
Okay.
You all right with that?
I'm fine with that, Judge.
All right. Sir, if you want to resolve just this case today, the municipal ordinance, you can plead no contest. I'll find you guilty. You're incarcerated. You're doing the SAP program, so I'll waive the court costs. You want to do that?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead, raise your right hand for me, please. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down, tell me your full name.
Ferdinand Velez.
Sir, you've been charged with possession of an open container of alcohol. How do you plead to that offense?
Well, I plead no contest because I already did that.
Okay. You understand, though, that by pleading no contest, you're giving up your right to have a trial and have the city prove their case against you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol today?
No, I'm canceling. I don't do drugs or alcohol.
Good, good. I find your plea to be knowing, intelligent, and voluntary. I will find you guilty, and I'll sentence you to the time that you've served. We will waive the court costs. How's it going in the SAP program? You following the program?
I haven't gone to that program yet because they haven't called me yet. I waited. I have an empty bed to go to the program. I haven't gone yet.
All right, listen up, my friend. Do the program. When you get out of jail, find yourself a meeting. You ever been to an AA meeting before?
No, I never.
All right, I want you to go. I want you to work the program, all right?
Okay.
Good luck to you, my friend. Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Mr. Odom, it's always a pleasure. Thanks a lot. Have a great weekend.
You as well.
All right, we're going to go back on docket order.
There you go.
Victoria, oh, I'm sorry. We had passed one. All right, Mr. Amin?
Yes.
All right, sir. Good afternoon. I'm Judge Davis, sir. You've been charged with 2 counts of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. I've reviewed the probable cause affidavit, and I am going to find probable cause for your arrest, sir. Does he have a criminal record?
I didn't see the qualifiers, Your Honor.
Okay. I have a question. Can anyone tell me how old the victim named Mohammed is?
He is.
26.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you had any contact advocate with these victims?
Yes, victim, the spouse says she has safety concerns, but the adult son, Mohammed, says he has no safety concerns, but they're both concerned with his anger.
Yeah, no, and the court has some concerns. So, Mr. Farbarak, talk to me.
Judge, he's lived here in South Florida for about 34 years. He is married. He does have 2 grown children that both live in his house. He has some money in the bank. He indicated that he works at 7-Eleven. He's never failed to appear in court before, and he's made it very clear to me that he's never been arrested before either. So this would be his first time having contact with the legal system. He did indicate that if the court were to order a no contact, that he would be able to live at a friend's house.
Okay. So I'm going to take that into consideration, and the fact that you have never had a brush with the legal system before in the United States. However, how long have you been here in the United States?
34, 35 years.
35 years.
34 years, yes.
Does he? I didn't see
What has he got? What else? Increase anything else?
Where was this at? Mr. Robert? Oh, okay.
All right. So this is what's worrying me, sir. There's a high level of violence in this case, threatened violence, with a weapon. And there was a young child present in this home who witnessed this, an 11-year-old.
That's my sister's, that's my wife's.
I don't care who it is. He's an 11-year-old child who's witnessing you threatening 2 people with a kitchen knife, a 10-inch kitchen knife. So you understand why that causes concern to the court. Now, it's my job to make sure you show up to court, but it's also my job to protect the community, and it's my job especially to protect the victims in this case. I'm going to order a $10,000 bond on count 1. I'm going to order a $10,000 bond on count 2. If you're able to make bond, you're going to be on pretrial release, level 2, GPS. You're not going anywhere near either of these victims or that 11-year-old child. That means you stay 500 feet away at least. You don't call, you don't write, you don't text, you don't email, you don't try to find them on social media. You're not going to hurt any of these folks or anyone else. Do you understand me? You are forbidden from possessing any weapons. You're forbidden from possessing any knives. You want to cook with a knife? You're going to have to get someone else to cook that for you. You want to use a butcher knife? Have someone else cook your dinner. You understand me? Good luck to you, sir. Victoria Filzami.
Bonded.
I do find probable cause. Joanne Roll.
You have an attorney? Are you gonna hire your own?
Good afternoon, Ms. Roll. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. Ma'am, you've been charged with prostitution. I'm going to find probable cause for that offense. Does she have criminal history? All right. If you'd like to resolve this case today, here's what we'll do. I'll offer you a withhold of adjudication. You'll have to pay some court costs. You're also going to have to take a medical test. Mr. Farbarak will explain it to you within 90 days and show the receipt of that test, but not the results, the receipt to the state attorney's office. Is that something you'd like to do?
This is...
Hold on one second.
Go ahead.
Okay, yes, sure.
Okay.
Definitely.
All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, now go ahead and raise your right hand for me. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Put your hand down, tell me your full name.
Joanne Roll.
Ms. Roll, you've been charged with prostitution. How do you plead to that offense?
No contest.
I'll accept a plea of no contest. But do you understand that by pleading no contest, you're giving up your right to have a trial? You're giving up your right to have the state prove their case against you beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes, Your Honor.
You under the influence of any drugs or alcohol today?
No.
Very good.
No, Your Honor.
I find your plea to be knowing, intelligent, and voluntary. I will withhold adjudication in the case. You're going to have to pay some court costs. I'm going to give you a year to pay those. You're going to have to go and get that medical test done. There's plenty of free clinics here in Broward that'll do it for you without charge. And within 90 days, you'll have to do it and show the receipt to the state attorney's office. Now, let me ask you a question. You have a place to go that's safe and secure after you get out of jail?
Yes, I do.
All right. You seem like a very nice, well-educated young person. This seems like it's your first brush with the system. I hope it's your last, okay?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, she's gonna have a year to pay him though. All right, good luck to you, ma'am. Please take care of yourself.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Son of Sarah Lewis.
She's on her way up.
Great, no problem. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Judge Davis. Ma'am, you're charged with 2 counts of violating your felony probation, so you're going to be held without a bond at this time. You will see your division judge July 26th at 8:30 a.m. You can address the charges with the judge, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Good luck to you, ma'am. Take care of yourself. Okay. Helena Castillo.
She's over at North Broward, Judge. I think she may. I would ask the court to inquire.
All right. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Judge Davis. Ma'am,
Good afternoon.
do you have a private attorney representing you?
Yes, I do.
What's your
Guy
attorney?
Seligman.
What's the name?
Guy Seligman.
Guy Seligman. That name was familiar. All right. Let me give him a call. And see if we can get him over here on the phone. No. So you're charged with possession of cannabis, which is a charge that I would normally be able to work out for you today, but the issue is you're also charged with a probation violation. There's no bond on that. Guy Seligman. And Mr. Seligman, I'm sure, understands that.
How long you live in South Florida?
Yeah. I'm just looking up his telephone number. All right, I've got a phone number here. Let me see if he's...
Legally? You live alone with family or friends? What's the family? All right, what are things to you?
Yes, good afternoon. This is Judge Michael Davis down at the county court. How are you? I'm doing great. I'm looking for Mr. Seligman. I have one of your clients here before me on first appearance.
Okay, hold on one moment, Mr. Davis.
Thank you so much. Hi, Kim. This is Michael Davis down at the county court. How are you? I have one of your Mr. Seligman's clients here on first appearance. Her name is Telina Castillo. Is she your current client of yours?
Yes, she will be a client of ours, yes.
All right. She picked up a possession of cannabis and a probation violation.
Correct.
So I've got to hold her no bond on that probation violation. The cannabis will just be the nominal $100 bond.
Okay.
She's got a VOP hearing coming up July 26th at 8:30. Okay.
Okay, very good.
All right. Thanks so much. All right. Have a great weekend. All right.
Perfect, you too.
All right.
Okay, bye-bye.
Your attorney is on the case. He's going to be there for you on the 26th. I wish that I could do something for you about the charge. I cannot, but you'll see your division judge then, and your attorney will be there, okay? He's not ignoring you, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am. Take care. Anissa Trichito.
Judge, I've been advised she bonded. That's what. Yeah.
Okay, I do find probable cause. Diana Varick.
No problem, Judge Davis.
All right, thank you. Good afternoon, ma'am. You're being charged with How are you? You all right?
Good.
Good. You've been charged with violating your felony probation, ma'am. You're going to be held no bond. Excuse me. You're going to see your division judge July 26th at 9 a.m., okay? All right, good luck. You take care of yourself. Corey Gaskill.
Advice has a medical reset.
Reset, okay. He's going to be held no bond on multiple capiases. You want me to go ahead? All right, I'm going to pass it through to division. Mr. Gaskill's going to be held no bond on 1 through 7. Miss. Should be held no bond on 1 through 7. There is a bond on count 8, the violation of felony probation. That's a $5,000 bond. There's a division hearing July 26th at 8:30 a.m. I hope she feels better. Alejandro Haynes.
Main jail, he indicated he's going to hire private counsel.
All right, sir, your bond's been posted. I'm going to find probable cause for the case, but you're going to be released today, okay?
Okay,
All right, good luck to you.
thank you.
He'll be out.
Take care.
Yeah, right back there, yeah. They'll get you.
Gardy Vincent.
Main jail.
All right, good afternoon, Mr. Vincent. You're being held on a misdemeanor warrant on a possession of cannabis. We'll get this worked out for you today. Let me hear a little bit about his criminal history. Thank you.
Yes, there was arrest, but no, he has no priors.
No problem. Okay. All right, sir. Since this is your first, you don't have any prior convictions, I'd offer you a withhold of adjudication. If you want to plead no contest, you'll have to pay some court costs, but you'll have a year to pay those. Is that acceptable? The other option is I'll release you on your recognizance. You can fight the case, but you've got to come back to court. Otherwise, they'll issue another warrant. You let me know what you want to do.
Hang on 1 second, Judge.
No problem.
Judge, he indicated he wants to resolve the case today.
Okay, very good. Raise your right hand for me. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Put your hand down, please tell me your full name.
Gardy Vincent.
Mr. Vincent, you've been charged with possession of marijuana, possession of cannabis. How do you plead to that offense?
No contest.
But do you understand that by pleading no contest, you're giving up your right to have a trial, you're giving up your right to have the state prove their case against you beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol today?
No.
All right. I'm going to find your plea to be knowing, intelligent, and voluntary. I will withhold adjudication in this matter, and I will sentence you to pay some court costs, but you're going to have a whole year to pay those. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, sir. Good luck. Stay out of trouble.
All right. Okay.
Nicholas Martino.
You can go right out the back door. Down this way. Judge, he indicated he's hiring private counsel.
All right, come on up, Mr. Martino. Good afternoon, sir. You've been charged with driving under the influence of alcohol with a breathalyzer test above .15. First offense, DUI charge, possession of cannabis, possession of drug paraphernalia, careless driving, and possession of an open container. I am going to find there's probable cause for the offenses, sir. I'm going to set your bond on count 1 at $1,000, count 2 $1,500, no additional charge on counts 3, 4, 5, and 6. So your total bond is $1,500. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Oh, you got it. Anthony Hoskins.
Bonded.
All right, I do find
Yes.
probable cause. Carl Benjamin. All right.
Bonded.
All right, very good. I do find probable cause.
Sir.
Joaquin Johnson.
Judge, just 1 second. We're trying to get him.
Yeah, no problem. I hope I sort of pronounced his name correctly.
So I'm gonna split it right now, okay? That's what I'm saying.
You think it's Joaquin?
It's one name.
Joaquin? All right. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Judge Davis. Sir, you've been charged with a grand theft, 2 counts of violating your probation or community control, and 2 counts of violating your felony probation. I am going to find probable cause for the offense. Your bond on count 1 will be $1,000. Counts 2, 3, 4, and 5 are going to be held no bond. You will see your division judge on July 26th at 8:30 a.m., okay? Good luck to you. Good luck to you, sir. Take care.
Right back down the middle.
Joselito Rivera. Good afternoon, sir. You've been charged with resisting an officer with violence and trespassing. I'm going to find probable cause for these offenses. Does this gentleman have a criminal history?
I don't show any brown or priors. Trace, do you have anything outside?
What do I have? I have no suspicion. He had a carrying a concealed weapon.
What year?
2009.
Okay. So this is what's worrying me about the facts in this case, sir. And I don't want you to talk about the facts. I'm going to talk. You did not have to go to jail. You did not have to spend the night in jail. This officer gave you every chance to not have to go to jail, to not have to be arrested. You talked yourself into arrest with your behavior. Mr. Barbaric, talk to me a little bit.
Judge, he's lived here for over 14 years. He's single. He has no kids. He does work as a barber. He has some money, but not a lot in the bank, and he has family here. He indicated that he's never failed to appear before. I'm sorry, he has no family here. He's never failed to appear in court before, and I think that if I heard Patrice correctly, I think there's only one prior from 2010.
Yeah,
So I would
but
ask
there's
the
no
court to take that-
disposition.
Yeah.
I would ask the court to take all of that into consideration and perhaps ROR him on these charges.
I'll take it into consideration. It's disturbing. I hate to see you in the jail uniform. I don't know you, but just reading the facts of this case, you could have gone home that night. Things could have just been relaxed, and instead you decided to amp things up. I'll set a $500 bond on count 1, no charge on count 2. Good luck to you, sir. Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Alfonso Brown.
You go to court on Tuesday, July 26th.
Okay.
Sir, you've been charged with violating your felony probation. You're going to be held no bond at this time. You will see your division judge July 26th at 9:30 a.m., okay?
Out.
All right, good luck to you, sir. Take care of yourself. Tony Harden.
What's your name?
Your Honor?
Oh,
Your Honor, Conti?
Okay.
He's in courtroom 5870 today.
All right, he's going to be held no bond, and he's seeing his division judge on the 26th, so I'm going to pass this one through. Thank you.
Okay. Yes.
Matthew Walker.
Also Conti.
Oh, also Conti, okay. All right, good afternoon, sir. You've been charged with violating your felony probation. You're going to be held no
Were you in
bond
that
at this
space
time.
before?
You'll see your division judge
Okay.
July 26th, 9 a.m., and you can address the charges, okay?
Yes, sir.
Good luck to you, sir.
Come up here.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Farber, who we got left? Who's this gentleman?
We have 2 more.
Great.
Alejandro Evangelista?
Evangelista. I don't have him on my docket. Anybody got him?
I was here yesterday, yes.
Yesterday.
I don't have it on second look.
No, I don't think.
Anybody know why he was brought down?
We got Kevin Bird.
I don't know if the court heard, he indicated that he was here yesterday, so it was a reset from yesterday.
We did all set yesterday. We did
Oh,
all-
Administrated him yesterday?
No, I'm just saying the same thing. We didn't have anything reset from the second looks yesterday.
Not that I was aware of.
I didn't bring you over, right?
All right, have a seat for a minute. We'll try to figure it out. And who's the other
Okay.
gentleman you got?
Come on up. Tell me your name.
Kevin Byrne.
All right, you are on the docket, sir. Let's take a look at you.
I didn't bring you.
Unlawful solicitation on a state highway. How long has he been in? Did I magistrate him?
5 days, sir.
What floor?
And how long?
Yeah.
The 18th, so he's been in a few days.
I've been in 5 days, sir.
What's his record look like? 18. That was Monday I was out.
What's his BCC on his
It is 0160692.
1016.
0692.
What's his name? Kevin.
Kevin Byrne, B-Y-R-N-E. I know that is too many numbers, right?
Yeah.
What it's for?
It says BCCN 016.
Yeah, that's right. I got it.
Got it?
Yeah, he has a, that's from June 21st. Let's see what that's for.
See you tomorrow.
That was also the same charge. Got time, yeah, he got time served on that.
All right. Nothing violent, nothing like that?
Just the same.
Yeah, you don't need to be.
Solicitation.
All right. I'm gonna give him time served on this and adjudication if he wants it. You want to do that, sir? All right. Go ahead, raise your right hand for me. Swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
All right. Go ahead, put your hand down. Tell me your full name.
Kevin Scott Byrne.
Mr. Byrne, you've been charged with unlawful solicitation on a state highway. How do you want to plead to that offense, sir?
Oh, no contest, sir.
You understand by pleading no contest, you're giving up your right to have a trial. You're giving up your right to have the state prove their case against you.
Yes, sir.
All right. You under the influence of any alcohol or drugs today?
No, sir.
Very good, my friend. I will find your plea to be knowing, intelligent, and voluntary. I'll find you guilty. I'll sentence you to the time you've served. I'll waive the court costs for you, okay?
Thank you so much.
Best of luck to you. Take care of yourself.
Have a great day.
All right.
Thank you,
Anyone
Judge.
else? You got it.
The other gentleman that was here, he didn't need to be here. He was brought down by error.
I didn't think so. All right. Have a great weekend, Mr. Farbarik. Thank you.
Great. Thank you very
And
much.
We have
You
one
too.
more. Who's got James Gurrier? Anybody have James Gurrier? Second look.
North Broward.
Conti has one,
Great.
Your Honor.
Conti has one also? Is that?
It was an add-on.
for Andrew Parker.
Andrew Parker?
Yes, Karen did send something on this.
Oh. What's going on with him?
I'm not sure. I didn't see where.
It's,
Sent one. Motion for release from custody.
I don't have anything on them, Your Honor, so
What is it?
it says motion for
The 30-day motion?
30-day motion, it looks like.
Are you able to see if the...
It's not been filed.
It hasn't been filed? And are the 30 days up? Is it a timely motion?
Let me double check it.
Thanks.
See,
Did they give notice to anybody?
it was Tara's, I already emailed
It was-
the 860.
No, now we're on, this is someone else.
No,
James
no.
Gurrier was deleted from the docket? Okay, good. No, this is an add-on.
Oh,
No, Your Honor. No, it's not filed.
It's not time, okay, it's not filed. All right, so sir, you're entitled to be released on your recognizance. It doesn't mean that the charges are going away, it just means that they haven't been timely filed by the state. So keep an eye on your mailbox, but today you'll be released, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Good luck to you, take care of yourself. All right, great job everyone, we are off the record.
Don't we have James Gurrier?
I was told it was deleted from the docket.
Yeah,
Who's on, somebody was in contact.
Judge, I'm sorry. Who was the last name?
Andrew Parker.
Parker.
Andrew Parker?
North Broward,
Andrew's
you
number?
don't, do you have
Case
Gurrier?
number? 165860.
I was told it was
MM10A.
deleted.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Oh, you do have him?
Yes.
All right, come on, bring him on up. Doesn't sound like, sounds like he's on.
I don't know. What's his
I don't speak English. I don't speak English. Speak English? No. Creole.
Ooh. Well, all right, let's get a Creole interpreter up here, please, and then we'll plead this case out. Deputy, give us a couple of minutes. We got to get an interpreter for him.
Yes.
Thanks a lot. Just a couple of minutes.
All righty.
And the owner of the property really didn't want to he really didn't want to
All
let them do
right,
it.
can we have Mr. Guerrier come on back up, North Broward? Sorry to bring you up here on a Friday afternoon, my friend.
That's all right.
I just wanted to see your face.
Oh,
Thanks, Deputy. All right. Mr. Guerrier, I'm Judge Davis. How are you, sir?
Monsieur Guerrier, non, moi c'est juge Davis. Qui j'en ai aujourd'hui?
Moi, for moi?
À moi, Judge.
Very good. Listen, you're going to see my friend Judge Wren on Monday morning.
Ok, lundi matin, ou alors on l'autre juge, ami moi qui est le juge Rain.
She's a very special kind of judge.
Et que son juge qui est très spécial.
She knows about different kind of services and things that might be able to help you.
Les connaît qualité de service et aide qu'on capable joindre, qui capable aider.
Bear with us a couple of more days, and well, let's let her make a decision about how she wants to proceed with your case.
Judge,
Font petit temps, les trois jours encore là devant et puis la expliquer qui ça que le
may I
fait
make
dossier là.
may I make a suggestion?
Yeah.
Will the court, he has court on Monday, will the court ROR him and let him come back to court? I looked at the clerk's website, I didn't see.
Hearing is?
I believe that she starts her docket around 9.
All right, I need you to understand something. If I let you out of jail today,
Ton bagay nou vle di, Guerrier, avant que nous quittions aller la caille aujourd'hui,
you're going to have to be back in court on Monday morning.
lundi matin, pipi chantant, c'est pour venir dans le tribunal.
Judge Lerner Wren is on the fourth floor, right? Third floor? Third floor. Her courtroom is on the third floor in this building, in the main courthouse building.
Juge Lanaren, lui, ici, dans le tribunal, là, dans le 3e étage, là, c'est le savoir venir lundi matin.
You understand that you have to be there?
Est-ce qu'on comprend faut qu'on vienne, pas vrai?
Bon, c'est yo même pour qui al prom, ça veut dire m'pa gen volonté pour venir m'paraître pour comme.
Well, it's you to transport me because I do not have any will to come to court.
All right. He's going to stay until Monday with us then. All right, good luck to you, sir. You're going
Bonne
to
chance,
stay
messieurs.
incarcerated. You'll see Judge Wren on Monday.
Ou après, juge Lanaren lundi. Attendez?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Good luck to you, sir. Take care.
Chance.